Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't.
What you say about me?
Nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name!
Alright, YouTube. It is a 7mm, it's 2 bolts. But his shit's so rusted, man. It snapped, and instead of wrestling, oops, I'm sorry. Instead of wrestling with all this broke stuff, I'm just about to use the Dremel and cut out, I mean, not cut out, but just cut the bolt, the screw, straight on out. Put new screws, because by the time I wrestle with this, I could just cut it out. So, that's shit to do. Alright. Okay, YouTube, 10 minutes too long. Got it out. So, let me go ahead and plug this new one up. Plug it up, mount him up, and get him in and out of here. So I'm gonna cut it on when I'm finished. If it comes on, like I said, I'm just installing the housing. If it got wiring problems, that's not on me, that's him. So, alright. Okay, YouTube, that part of the deal is done. It got blue, I guess, LEDs with dull ass yellow headlights. So, pretty sure he'll be back, but about to have to tax him some more because he had to shorten this wire, and that wasn't part of my deal. So, about to let him know as we speak. But yeah, hopefully he come back and get some custom headlights though. After he realized it's gonna be dark as hell, and them got ballast, my fault, ballistics, ballast on the Cadillac. So, you know, I did Cadillac before and took the ballast out and converted it, so it ain't nothing. So, yeah, y'all stay tuned. All right.